name's Michael Richardson. I'm a Media and Cultural Studies researcher at the University of New South Wales, Sydney, and an associate investigator with the ADM+S Centre. My research is always concerned with the relationship between technology, power, culture, and politics. Over the last several years, I've been focused quite heavily on drone technologies. I came to the study of drones through the study of warfare. I did a PhD and wrote a book on torture and trauma, and that sort of led me from the torture of the Bush era to the drone warfare that really took off in the Obama era. But that's inevitably led to questions for me about, well, what happens when this technology is not on the battlefield and it moves to other spaces? How are we supposed to think about it? Does it carry the legacy of warfare wherever it goes? We use this term to refer to a huge class of technologies. Living under the lethal surveillance of drones in Afghanistan or Yemen is really different from living under drone delivery, and yet all of them use the same language for the technology. So in some ways, to me, drones share a lot to do with computers or networks, in the sense that they're technologies that we just increasingly find everywhere, and yet they have complicated histories, and they are technologies of power and knowledge. And in many instances, automated decision-making plays a really crucial role in how those services are imagined, and how products are kind of hyped, but also how they're put in place. And that's one of the places where regulation and standard setting and so on is so important. One of the great things about the centre has been the events that the centre has run and the exposure that that's created for my work. And those have been really exciting ways to bring together diverse sets of scholars who look at things in different ways and create some conversations that might not have happened otherwise, and to do them for audiences that might not have been listening to those particular conversations before.